In this video, I will talk about how to send video in Gmail more than 25 megabytes using phone. The video that I will send has a size larger than 25 megabytes. So, if you use the normal method, you will not be able to send the video. But I have one trick that you can try to send videos with a size larger than 25 megabytes. I hope you watch this video until the end so that there are no misunderstandings. The first step is, you need to upload the video file to your Google Drive. After the video is successfully uploaded, click the three dots on the video. Then click on Manage People and Links. You need to pay attention to the link settings section. Click the Change button. Click on Restricted. Change this setting to anyone with the link. Then copy the link from your uploaded video to Google Drive. The next step, just close your Google Drive and switch to your Gmail. Click the pen icon to send a new email message. Enter the destination email address. Enter the subject of your email. Here I write, "Please download this video." Enter the video link that you copied. Then send an email. Let's check the recipient's email. As you can see, this email message does not contain a live video. However, this message contains a link that can provide access to anyone who has this link to open and download your video. Write in the comments column if you have any questions. See you in the next video.